Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Baldur's Gate 3 for beginners. This epic role-playing game offers a rich, immersive experience. You will learn about its core mechanics, from character creation to navigating its vast world. We will cover essential tips to help you start your adventure smoothly, ensuring you understand the fundamental aspects of gameplay. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey filled with choices and consequences. Crafting your hero is the first crucial step in Baldur's Gate 3. You can choose from 11 distinct races and 12 unique classes, each offering different playstyles. Your background provides specific proficiencies, shaping your character's initial skills. Carefully distribute your ability scores, such as strength, dexterity, and intelligence, as these directly influence your character's effectiveness in combat and dialogue. This foundational setup is key to your adventure. Combat in Baldur's Gate 3 is turn-based and highly strategic. Each character gets one action and one bonus action per turn, allowing for dynamic tactical decisions. Utilize the environment to your advantage, perhaps by pushing enemies off ledges or igniting surfaces. Beyond combat, exploration is vital. Discover hidden paths, solve puzzles, and interact with the world to uncover its many secrets and advance your quests. Every corner holds new possibilities. Your journey in Baldur's Gate 3 is enriched by a diverse cast of companions, each with their own compelling stories and unique abilities. Recruiting them and building relationships is crucial. Your choices throughout the game significantly impact the unfolding narrative, leading to various outcomes and multiple endings. Prepare for a deeply engaging story, featuring over 174 hours of cinematic content, making every playthrough feel unique and personal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.